Hi guys, welcome back to our channel, and if you're new here, thanks for joining us. Today we're doing what you do on at sea day above the MSC Euribia. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel.
MSC Euribia. It's a beautiful ship, and we're gonna take you along all day to see what we are doing one day on this beautiful ship.
So we're going to show you what we do and point out some other things that you could do if you wanted to. So join us and see what adventures we get into on our ship day. So we're going to start by going to the formal dining room for lunch. Yeah, that's right. We slept in until about 10:30, because why not? So it's really nice to go to the dining room for lunch on a sea day, or any day really. We like the waiter service. There's no extra upcharge. It's really nice, yeah? I mean, you can go to the buffet and get whatever, but you always just end up overeating, and it's a way to kill an hour or two. So this is why I love coming to the dining room. You get all these fancy little plates, and they just look so fun. And like I said, it's free.
And for my bean soup, I have 3 different plates.
You're welcome. It's all nice and fancy. It's so nice
Look
just to go to...
beans are so small.
It's so nice just to go to a fancy meal for no apparent reason, right, babe?
Right.
Alright, besides showing you around the ship today and showing you what we're going to do, we're also going to compare an MSC cruise to a Carnival cruise, because we've been on quite a few Carnival cruises lately, and we're just going to sort of tell you the differences that we notice as we go about our day.
Right now we're going shopping, so we're going to level 6. I push 6 and we show you what elevator is coming.
It's really cool and helpful. Way better than Carnival, where everybody's packing and jamming for the next one that opens.
Everybody is running to go inside your elevator.
So we're on deck 6 here. This is where most of the shops are and the specialty restaurants, and we're just gonna go do a little shopping for some souvenirs or gifts. So after a little shopping, we went to the chocolate factory aboard the ship here. We can get coffees and chocolates and crepes and ice cream, and we're just gonna sit here and enjoy for a little bit. I'm gonna beat Chris at a couple hands of cards. Don't forget to bring a deck of cards or dominoes or whatever game you like to play with the people you're traveling with.
On the sea day, yes, we're playing cards, cappuccino, latte, playing cards, having fun. That's the thing to do on the ship.
What'd you get?
I got dulce de leche Nutella.
Ah, you got a crepe?
I got a crepe.
So the thing to always remember, no matter your cruise line, a lot of times the specialty restaurants like this aren't included, but it was what?
7 euros.
7 euros, so not terrible. And my drink, it's a mess right now, but it was 9 euros plus gratuity, so like 10, but it has like 2 different types of liquor in it, not bad. And Chris's latte was
5 something.
So one of the many activities on a cruise ship is always learning how to dance by your entertainment staff. Chris always loves to go dance, don't you, baby? So the hub here is the photo gallery on board. They don't want you taking pictures inside. These are all the photos taken by the photographers on the ship. Something nice I noticed here on the MSC, they had a $150 package for all the pictures you took in a digital wallet, which is a lot cheaper than I've seen on Carnival before. So one of the cool things here on the MSC Euribia are these interactive screens where you can see what's going on, or there's separate screens. You can change whatever language you would like, all sorts of different languages. I'll get that in English here. So you can see, maybe, there it goes. It shows you what deck you're on, things around you, where you are, where the stairwells are. Right now we're on the floor with the buffet and the pools, the 2 main pools. And the last couple of Carnival ships we've been on haven't had this, so either this is just a newer ship or is this more towards MSC Cruises. Really like them though. Of course, we are on, I believe this is a newer ship than most of the Carnival ships we've taken lately, so the technology package is a little more upgraded. So I'm not sure how much I'm comparing apples to apples, but the internet on the ship has been way better than it has been on any Carnival ship I've been on lately, which is cool. And I think the upgraded internet package for 2 devices was 150 euros for a week, which I think was cheaper than Carnival. Can you tell them why you like Carnival better for the ice cream?
The ice cream in Carnival is free.
They have free soft serve everywhere. Here, it's 4 euros if you want ice cream, unless you're in the main dining room. Now, here's one of my favorite things on this ship. Now, I'm not sure if it's just this ship or all ships, but they have the mozzarella station where they make fresh mozzarella daily here. It is absolutely delicious, and in fact,
Coming from that little,
yeah, like the little molder. I'm gonna go get me a slice of pizza. It's really good on this ship. I have to say, the buffet on this ship has been way better than the buffets on Carnival ships, and it definitely has a heavy Italian or European slant in the food, which is really nice in some respects, and other aspects, not so much. Some of it's a little unfamiliar. Here's an apple and fish salad. So, once again, you can try all sorts of new and different foods though. But you also have more traditional, like, this is a roasted turkey meatloaf. That sounds interesting. About a lot more fish items, some more just grilled chicken there. But like, tons of different like pâtés. And the lunch meats have been unbelievable. They are so good. What I'm having a hard time trying to figure out is the food on this ship so much different because we're taking a European cruise, or is it the cruise line? Like, I'm not sure if you take an MSC out of Florida, if it still has such a European flair to the food. If it does, that'd be really cool. This was the other cool thing on the ship. At the buffet, you just hit button to get bar service. On all the Carnival cruises we've had, every 5 minutes there's a waiter coming by if you want a drink. I sort of like this better. Just hit the button if you want a drink. I think I could come on this ship and eat nothing but the fresh mozzarella. Look what Chris got. A little fresh mozzarella bowl with the pesto. Oh my god, it's so good. So we're just sitting down in the buffet having a little second lunch. Why not? The pizza is absolutely delicious. And we realized looking at the daily activities that there's no comedians on board. And we think the reason is they try to accommodate a lot more different languages that people speak. And I'm not sure if that's an MSC thing or a European cruise thing. Well, we're gonna go out and show you the pool deck, but it is pouring out. Here I go, now I'm in my element. You got the money, babe?
I got it, baby.
Come on, let's go gamble.
I got you covered. Everything on red?
Yeah, how much?
Everything we own. Right there is a table.
I love the floor in here. So it's a small little casino, 13 table games, I think 200 slots. It's a casino.
It's very strange they don't open it on City until like 2 o'clock.
2 to 3 in the morning now. So yeah,
They open late, but
yeah, normally they're open a little earlier.
like 11 o'clock they open on the other boats.
Yeah, the
on
slot
Sea Day.
machines are open, but not the tables.
The slot machines are open 24/7.
When not in port.
Yeah.
And this is where we're going, the Carousel Lounge. We haven't spent much time here. We keep missing the band when it's playing. They've had singers and a swing band, diva singers from the 70s, but we keep missing it. And since we're no good at it, we've been trying to sit and relax and actually enjoy our time aboard the ship.
And we're enjoying it. Cheers.
So this, look at this, it's absolutely a beautiful room just to sit back and relax and look out at the dark, stormy seas, unfortunately, today.
So for dinner, we always come in the dining room.
It's nice. It's nice to come.
Today we had a different wine. and we are waiting for our dinner, and we're gonna show it to you what we're gonna have for tonight.
What we're really doing is sitting here and planning in the next part of our getaway to Dubai, trying to figure out what to get, what to buy, how to plan. It's hard.
Tell us who knows something about Dubai, what we should do. So maybe we got it in time, or not. We're gonna get a pass for Dubai.
I'm thinking the Go City part.
Go City Pass, we're probably gonna get it for 7 days while we're gonna be in Dubai for 10 days.
So for appetizers tonight, we got the calamari and shrimp. Weird, I've never seen a shrimp fried with the shell still on, I think, yeah? They said this is Italian style, evidently.
And the lemon is warm, so they warm up all together.
All right, for dinner, I ordered the ossobuco. Veal ossobuco looks absolutely delicious. And Chris got the
I got the lasagna.
lasagna bolognese, which looks pretty tasty.
It looks good. I don't try it yet. Dessert is baklava and ice cream. How's your ice cream?
Good. I just got vanilla ice cream for dessert.
Enjoy. After this, we're gonna go to the show, and this is gonna be our night for tonight.
All right, guys, we finished dinner and now we're off to the show. We were really hoping to show you a bit more of the activities aboard the ship today, but it was such a cold, rainy day, we didn't get too much done. But I hope you got a feel for what you can do on a sea day.
And you see this beautiful ship, because this ship, it is beautiful.
It's a beautiful ship, and I would recommend it, yeah?
I would recommend.
It's just a little different than the Carnival ships that we're used to, because that's what we've been taking the most often. So we're gonna leave you tonight with some footage of the show tonight, and maybe if we go out after that. So thanks for watching again. I hope this helps you plan your vacation in some way. Tomorrow we'll be in
Germany.
Kiel. That's the Kiel, Germany. That's the port, and we're taking the excursion to Lübeck. To Lübeck, Germany, which is like an old German town. It's a UNESCO World Heritage Site, so stay tuned for that. That video should be up in probably 3 or 4 days, maybe even less. Thanks for watching, guys.
Good night from MSC Euribia.